Are you spending too much time on Instagram trying to grow your following? Well, today I'll be showing you one really cool tool that will help you save time and also increase your engagement at the same time. Whether you're trying to grow a faceless account or just any regular account that you want to sell your services or products, you've probably seen other Instagram accounts with these type of description. The prompt to comment to get something DM to their inbox. This is such a great idea to drive engagement because it helps the Instagram algorithm of engagement and commenting on your post. But have you ever wondered if these people are actually sitting there all day waiting for that comment to pop in? Well, the simple answer is they're probably not, and it's automated. And today I'll be showing you what app they're using and how to set it up. Stay tuned. So the app that I found is called Manychat. And Manychat is a powerful platform that helps you build intelligent chatbots for Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and other popular platforms. A lot of people use this chatbot for way bigger companies, but for our purposes, we can use this just for Instagram, and it can help us with engagement and just freeing up our time when we need it. So setting up a ManyChat is very easy. Your implementation with Meta is also very seamless. They are also a partner with Meta, so you don't have to worry that they are some sort of sketchy company. And all you need to do is connect, check, select your Instagram accounts that you want to use, the inbox you want to automate, and answer a few questions, and you are done. So now that we've set up our account on ManyChat, this is what it looks like on the back end. And I'll just give you a quick tour on what it looks like. It says also here that there you can activate a 14-day free trial to unlock all pro features, which is great because then now you know what you need and what you don't need. And if you want to see the pricing, it's actually pretty reasonable. You get up to 1,000 contacts free of charge, which is, I think, plenty if you're starting out. And it's just great for those of us that don't have much of a budget and want to try something new. But if you want to go pro, it's only $15 a month, which I think it's very reasonable for all the time that you're going to save doing this. Now, coming back to here, you can see this is the home page, and it recommends you all the popular Instagram automation, and the one that we're looking for is convert your Instagram comments into sales. And once we come into here, you can see a demo of what the automation looks like, and this is exactly what we're looking for. Someone comments, and then automatically there's a DM that sends them information for them to click or download. And and to edit this for ourselves, you just need to set up template. And they already have this set up for you. So when user comments on your post or reel, the action is to reply in DM, which is, hi, thanks for your comment. You can also edit this when you click inside. And this is the button where you want people to click on to get your freebie, join your list, or see a website. So feel free to change the link here to whatever you want to direct your new follower to. And if you want more automation, they also have more here that you can look into. So the basic ones are down here, and sequences are just like more complicated automations that you can look into. I haven't tried these yet, so feel free to make something custom for yourself. But yeah, this is basically it. It's very simple and easy to use. So if you're looking to try something to optimize your time and to save some time, this is great for small creators. So if you want to spend less time on social media, or if you want your business to be completely passive, then I suggest using ManyChat, and you can find the link below in my description, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.